So 2017 Honda, and here's the leaky condenser situation like all the other ones. Not sure if you could catch the shadowing. It looks like here in my screen you could see the shadowing from where the oil was leaking in that area there. A little bit down in that area. Over here in this area down there. And that is almost imperceivable, but over in this area down in here. And unfortunately for the customer on this one, the story was it was a salvage vehicle, not original owner, and trying to go back to Honda, they won't honor the warranty for a salvage title vehicle. So unfortunately the customer had to pay out of pocket to get this repaired. And as you've known, if you've been following the story on Hondas and their condensers and how much Honda denied for a few years at first, forcing customers to pay out of pocket for this repair before they started admitting they had a problem, a lot of compressors burnt up, or they burn up soon after you replace the condenser because the customer ran the refrigerant level so low because Honda had a defective condenser on there. The compressor starts overheating and burning itself up and tearing itself up. But it's not broken yet. It's not burned up. It's damaged. It's ready to go. Not in all cases. But then you fill it back up, you put a condenser on it, and then a week later, a month later, the compressor goes. And what you'll usually find on those ones, those were the ones when they came in with zero refrigerant or really low on refrigerant. The damage was already done. There's nothing you can do about it. And you never know if you have one of those vehicles or not until after you filled it back up and put it in service. It either lives or it dies. You don't have no choice. That's all it is. So on this one here, I'm getting ready to fill it back up like you've seen in my other videos, and leak check it again after it gets filled to make sure the customer has the best possibility chance to have a good long life AC. That's it on this one. If you have a Honda with one of these known leaking condensers and you have a salvage title, let it be known you will get turned down. That's it.